Okay students, our next standard inverse trigonometric function is given as y is equal to tan inverse of x, where the range of x is belongs to set of real number. Okay, and y is taken from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Then the first order derivative of y is given as dy by dx, and this is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. Okay, clear? Let us prove this result. The proof of this result is given as proof since y is equal to tan inverse of x, then x is equal to tan of y. Okay, taking derivative of x with respect to y, we have dx by dy is equal to, and we know that derivative of tan y with respect to y is given as sec square of y, and since we have to find dy by dx, but at this stage we have dx by dy, so we have to revert, we have to find the reciprocal of dx by dy. We have dy by dx is equal to sec square y. The reciprocal of sec square y is 1 upon sec square of y. Clear? And this is equal to 1 upon. Since we have to find the derivative of y with respect to x in the form of x, but we have dy by dx in the form of y. अभी तक जहाँ पे हम हैं वहाँ अपना dy by dx y के फॉर्म में है, in the form of y, but the result is should be in x. आपका result x में होना चाहिए, because x is related with tan y, not sec of y, but sec y, the relationship of sec y with tan y is given as 1 plus tan square of y. समझ में आ गया? sec square y को हमें tan में मतलब sec y को tan y में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा. We have to convert sec y in the form of tan y, because we have to find the result in the form of x, and since there is no any relationship of sec y with x, the relationship of x with the tan y, so we know that 1 plus tan square y is equal to sec square y. इसलिए हम sec square y को tan square y के फॉर्म में रखे, उसको हमने रिप्लेस किया. So this one is equal to 1 upon 1 plus tan y is x, right, x, and since tan square y, so we have x square. So last result is dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. Okay, students, any problem? Okay, write down. So our result is, if y is equal to tan inverse of x, then derivative of y with respect to x is given by dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. Please make a note.